A preventive control plan for your food business is more than just a written document. It demonstrates how hazards and risks to your products are effectively eliminated or controlled. Your business needs to place it into action, validating, verifying, implementing, and improving the program with your team to prepare for regulatory inspection and audits. Today we'll show you how to prepare a preventive control plan in just minutes using Icicle's sophisticated automation technology. Tailored to the unique needs of the food industry, Icicle is designed to help you meet the latest regulatory requirements, integrating your food safety, quality, operations, and business needs into one unified system. With many PCP models and forms to complete varying from one industry to another, most people won't even know where to start. Icicle ERP makes it really easy. All you need to do to create your preventive control plans, such as HACCP, is follow the instructions, click Generate, and your plan will be ready to go. Icicle already captures key elements of HACCP plans, such as ingredients, materials, product packaging, etc., all organized under different interfaces. This enables you to generate your HACCP plan in seconds by pulling all the necessary information to populate those required forms. First things first, you'll need to ensure that you've captured all the details for your product correctly. We are looking at the product information for 10-inch pita bread as an example. All the necessary fields are already in the system for you to fill out, from general product details, units, allergens, formulas, and much more. Next, you'll need to capture the product formula or recipe. This interface connects the ingredients, materials, packaging, labor requirements, production stages, timed checks, cross-contamination points, byproducts, and process steps associated with our 10-inch pita bread. From here, you can click on the process flow icon to review the flowchart, ensuring all steps have been captured. This click and drag interface makes modifications really easy as well. Next, we'll go into the facility list to view details and confirm that the hazard analysis has been completed on processes employed, as well as identify cross-contamination points. Icicle guides you through the hazard analysis process in a very straightforward manner. You just need to go through the items one by one, capture critical limits, as well as your monitoring, deviation, and verification procedures. And finally, the risk assessment, based on likelihood and severity. Now that you've captured all these important details, it's time for the exciting part, setting things up so you can generate your most current preventive control plan documentation with the click of a button. Here you select the plan type. I'm using HACCP for this example, but you can see that Icicle can help generate HACCP, VACCP, and other plans you may need. Enter the name of your plan, select the facility, and the plan's effective date. You also have the option to enter an expiration date as well. Click on Create. Now that the plan's been created, we need to assign the product. Here I'm selecting the 10-inch pita bread from the list. You'll see that the bakery floor plan schematic is also assigned to our product. Now I just need to save the plan, and away we go. All you have to do to generate your most current HACCP plan for your product is click the Generate icon here to download a PDF of your plan. This complete plan captures details on your HACCP team and populates the required forms for product description, ingredients and materials, process flow diagram, plant schematic, lists all your identified biological, chemical, and physical hazards, critical control point determination, any uncontrolled hazards, critical control points, and process controls. The system logs the recent changes to the products associated with your plan over time as well to cover all of your bases. If you're interested in locking down a bulletproof preventive control plan for your production facility, I invite you to check the link in our description below for an excellent how-to guide from Icicle. Or feel free to reach out and our team will be happy to show you how we help food companies stay audit ready. Join the community at icicletechnologies.com.